Aye, well, here we are again, folks. This is a Lima Class 55 Deltic called Meld. This was sent to me by Peter, who sent me the box of goodies recently. And he said he wants this serviced, new traction tyres, and he says it hesitates a lot and sometimes needs a push. So let's just power it on. Didn't seem too bad to me. Yeah, that seems okay. It's a wee bit noisy, so I think we'll maybe can quieten it down a wee bit. But other than that, we'll just give this a service and I'm sure it'll be fine. We'll stick some new traction tyres on. Right, let's get to the bench. So if you watch the videos I've done on my own Lima Class 55, you'll know that I eventually converted it to a CD motor because I can never get it to pull away very smoothly. But it runs fine now with the CD motor. So we'll get into this and have a look. The Lima ring field is fairly easy to work on. It's quite simple. Right, come on, if you come. You get one clip out and another one pops in. Try and get them both out on one side. There we go. That's normally what I do with mine. Right, you're playing silly buggers with me. What's going on here? There seems to be something else holding it in at the front. I actually think the front here is glued on, and I think it's possibly something to do with the finish. I don't think it's meant to be glued on. You just never know what you're getting yourself into. That's one thing I'm learning fast with working on all these locomotives. So that splits. That's fine down there, but on this side, the chassis appears to be glued to the body, which tells me this body's never been off. Okay, the body here is well stuck to the chassis. I think if this was mine, I would probably have to get pretty brutal and try and splitting that, but you know, something's going to break. I've tried, you know, running a scalpel in there, but it's just not going to work. So plan B is to see if we can get the motor out without removing the body, which I think might just be possible. I've always removed the body when I've worked on my own one, but the body comes off nice and easy on mine. So let's undo these two screws. It just means I can't get in to see the I can't get in to unclip the wire up here. So let's see what happens if I put that in down. No. Put that in. There we go. Is it going to come out? There. We have success. So there's a lot of static grass and other nasties in there that will clean out. It otherwise doesn't look too bad actually. Just needs a good clean, I think. Release the brushes gently. Nice clean looking springs, and the brushes are looking clean as well, so maybe somebody has been in before. Yeah, springs and brushes in excellent condition. I'll take this front plate off and we'll see what state the commutator's in. Ooh, yeah, it's a bit dirty. Let's see if we can get this pickup out. there. And there is the commutator, which needs a bit of a clean, and everything needs a good brush out. Remove the gears, which I think have been filed down. They haven't been filed down enough. Right, toothbrush time. The old T-cut on. Scoosh with a contact cleaner. So cleaner. Let's look at the gears. I'll give these a file down. A good tip somebody gave me a while back on these Lima motors is to file down the clips, because they are a bit rough. So you want to put them on a fairly hard surface. And where's my little file? Where's my little file? Oh, for goodness sake. Where is... There it is, right in front of me. Right. Polish it off with sandpaper. Just try to make sure there's no dirt or fluff caught. I can't really see, wait a minute. Okay, so these wheels turn nice and freely. So we'll take the old traction tyres off, because I've been asked to replace them, and yeah, they do need it. Put these new ones on. Just get it on, stretch it round, like so. Right, don't like this traction tyre that I've put on. Appears to be too wide. Don't get it off. I'm just going to look. These are Lima replacement traction tyres. So I'm just going to see if they're all the same width or if some are slightly narrower than others. Yeah, I think they may well be. Maybe that one's a wee bit narrower than that one. Right, let's see if this one goes on any better. That's better. That's more like it. And this one, because the other one, you know, it was just slightly too wide, and you'd have ended up with it bouncing because it wasn't fitting on properly. That looks tickety-boo. Right. Another lesson learned. Not all traction tyres are the same width. I'll get the gears on and get everything greased up. I think we'll get some gear oil in there. It's in there. I'll put the clip on. Okay. Now we have to fit this into that. Oh, I'll tell you what we'll do. Just get an oil into the axles. Which way around does this go? It's going to have to go that way, so it's going to go that way. Go in there like that. Put that down in there. Because I can't get the body off, there's not much I can do with the front bogie apart from clean the wheels, which is a pity. It is super important on these Lima diesels to keep your wheels clean and your track clean. I've found, even with the CD motors, you know, it's nothing to do with the motor, it's the wheels. They just, slightest bit of dirt and it causes them to run rubbish. Okay, pop these brushes in, they're in good condition, which is good because I don't have any replacements for Lima. Springs. In goes one. Making sure that it fits over the brush properly. Right, see if we can fit this motor and make sure it's the right way round. That's the pickup side there, so it goes, that's pickup, that has to go that way round. Can we squeeze this in? Maybe I have to do it the other way around. There we go, put that over there. And that's been a wee lesson learned. You can take the motor bogie out of a Lima Class 55 without removing the body, which is just as well in this case. So we'll clean these wheels up and hopefully this will run. More teacup. So, one Deltic serviced. Let's see what happens. Ooh. That seems okay. Okay, so it's running fine back and forward on the test track there. Let's go and stick it in the layout and see what it sounds like and how it performs. Okay, so we'll turn on the power slowly, see if this thing pulls away smoothly or sharply. Not bad. It's certainly running a lot quieter. So there we are, that's this Lima Class 55 Deltic in its British Rail Green livery, Meld it's called. Running pretty well now actually, certainly a lot quieter and smoother and seems to be a bit more reliable. Yeah, very unusual that body being almost welded to the chassis. Don't know what was going on there, but fortunately I was able to get the motor bogie out and sort it all out. So there we go, another one done. On to the next one. Catch you later, folks.